This is Nameless Trader again. Yeah, how are you? So yesterday night I was sold my AMD already. So I will talk about it later. Whoever haven't subscribed my channel, yeah, do give me a subscribe, share my video out if you feel helpful, and comment below what kind of topics you like me to talk about. Okay, let's start about today's topic. So my AMD advanced micro device, my entry price is 88, as I showed in previous video. Okay, so why I sold at 120 is most likely those analysts are giving the price target at 120, and I can also see from the day after result exposed, it already went out 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 days already. So of course, if you haven't sold, you can keep leaving the AMD to run, whether maybe up to 130, 140, I wouldn't know, but here I already make 37% profit. Okay, I make 37%. So why I decided to sold is I don't see much room can we give. Okay, and I'm satisfied with my 37% profit. With since I entry here, I lost my cut loss point is here. So 6% versus 37% is one risk reward is 1 to 5. So I'm happy with it. So I switched my AMD position to these two counter, Salesforce CRM. This is my entry price. Yesterday I just entered somewhere 242. Okay, so it also show very good based on the super trend, 3 green line, 1 red line, and become 3 green line. So my cut loss point is somewhere here 2, 3, 4. Okay, and I foresee it will go up. And another counter is applied material. Okay, so I thought about this counter before. Okay, then it seems like going to break new high and go further. Semicon is under shortage now. Okay, so they need to increase the production, whatever. What they need is the material. Okay, so I will still see applied material can go up further. Okay, and this stock have been long time never do a stock split, and I foresee the price will go up further and do a stock split. Same, I do a position to buy yesterday night somewhere 142 something. Okay, and my stop loss point is maybe 134 to 131. Okay, and if let's say it's 134 something, yeah, somewhere less than 10%. So this is why I say always look for the stock can have a good risk and reward. So when you make a profit of 30% but you hit a losses of 5%, 6%, after minus of the losses, you're still able to win in the overall portfolio. Okay, so what we see, NVDA previously it blew up because of stock split and good result. Okay, so now it continued. NVIDIA did a increase of somewhere how many percent? 32%. Okay, and AMD shoot up is also somewhere 30%. So what I see, the next one will shoot up 30% is QCOM. Okay, same, my entry price is here 142 something. Okay, I still holding my position even though after it break up 6% in come down in the somewhere here. Still holding a position. Foresee it will go 30%. Let's see, 30% will hit how much? 180. Yeah. So I still holding this position. I believe it will go further above 170%. Sorry, 170 price. Okay. So because if NVDA can run, AMD can run, why not QCOM? QCOM, partly the sales have been bring up because of the Apple sales. They provide the 5G, those things lah. If you like to have those fundamental, Google it. I will not talk much lah. Okay, so let's watch out my new position, CRM, Salesforce, and AMAT, and let's see whether QCOM can do a bull of 30% profit for me. Okay, yeah, that's all for today. Thank you so much. Bye bye.